Hello everyone and welcome back to Mystery Stream. Today, we're going to discuss an interesting topic that many of us have probably wondered about at some point. Is it safe to eat brown bananas? You may have heard some rumors and myths, or encountered many videos on social platforms claiming presence of microbes, when a brown banana pulp is placed under a microscope. You may be concerned about bananas harboring hidden dangers in those brown spots. But are these claims rooted in science, or are they simply myths? Don't worry, we're here to uncover the truth in these mysterious claims and explore the science behind bananas. Let's start off by addressing the most common misconception. Some people believe that brown spots on bananas are an indication that the fruit is rotten or spoiled, and that it should be thrown away. However, this is far from the truth. In fact, bananas with brown spots are still perfectly safe to eat, and they might even be healthier than bananas without any spots at all. You see, when bananas start to turn brown, it's because the enzymes inside the fruit are breaking down the starch into sugar, which makes the banana sweeter and more flavorful. Additionally, brown spots on bananas indicate that the fruit is more ripe, meaning that it's easier to digest and more nutritious than an unripe banana. Now, many people are concerned about parasitic or bacterial infection in these spots. But is this really the case? To uncover the truth, let's turn to science. Bananas naturally produce enzymes and chemicals, such as polyphenol, which cause the fruit to brown as it ripens. These compounds act as natural defenses against potential threats, making it highly unlikely for parasites to survive within a banana. Also, bananas have a tough outer peel that acts as a barrier against external contamination. Plus, the acidic environment inside a banana makes it an inhospitable place for most bacteria. So, rest assured, your brown bananas are unlikely to contain harmful bacteria. These types of videos are mostly edited or created easily by adding microbes in banana pulp. However, it's possible for a banana to become contaminated if it's handled improperly or comes into contact with contaminated surfaces. The risk of this happening during normal handling and consumption is minimal. A banana will typically get rotten and it undergoes a series of chemical and enzymatic changes as it ripens. As bananas become overripe, their skin becomes more porous, which can allow microbes such as bacteria and molds to penetrate and grow on the fruit's surface. This is one reason why overripe bananas might be considered unsafe to eat. Overripe bananas are also more susceptible to mold growth, especially in warm and humid environments. Mold can produce mycotoxins, which are potentially harmful substances. Overripe bananas can attract fruit flies, which can carry bacteria and contribute to spoilage. If a banana looks or smells off or has visible signs of mold, it's best to discard it to avoid any potential health risks. To maximize the shelf life and safety of your bananas, store them in a cool, dry place and avoid keeping them in a bunch if you want them to ripen more slowly. If the banana is not totally brown with no yellow showing, not soft or squishy, has no signs of mold or leaking fluid or does not smell rotten, then it is perfectly safe to eat. In fact, brown bananas are not only safe but also packed with nutrients. They're rich in potassium, vitamin C, and dietary fiber, making them a healthy choice. According to Japanese scientific research, fully ripe bananas with dark patches on yellow skin produce a substance called TNF, tumor necrosis factor, which has the ability to combat abnormal cells. The more dark spots it has, the higher its immunity enhancement will be. Hence, the riper the banana, the better the anti-cancer quality. So, there you have it folks. The truth about brown spots on bananas. They're not rotten, they're not hosting microbes, and they're packed with nutrients. Feel free to enjoy them based on your taste preferences. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.